Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away brand new free Divi Layout Packs from our design team to you. For the second layout pack of this week, Kenny and his team have created a stunning Plumber layout pack, and this layout pack will provide you with everything your website needs to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. Alright, so let's take a look at the Plumber layout pack. So this is the overall look and feel that you can expect from it. And as you can notice, there are high quality illustrations included. And this layout pack is also highly focused on CTAs. So over here you can see a lot of CTAs. You have a book an appointment form that's included within the design as well. And let's take a look at the landing page. So over here we have the same kind of vibe going on. We have this form over here, high quality illustrations, and you can definitely notice that the focus is on the CTAs, which is something you would expect from a Plumber layout pack, and it just looks really stunning, modern and clean as well. And let's take a look at the service page as well. So as you can notice, everything is very straightforward. You have this discount over here that you can add, and you can definitely trigger action with this layout pack. So if you want to lay your hands on this layout pack, you can simply go to elegantthemes.com/layouts, and over here you will see all of the layout packs, and you can combine different layout packs with each other to create your own kind of website, or you can scroll down until you come across the Plumber layout pack. Over here you can see it's the most recent one, and if you click on it, you will see all of the layouts that are available, and you can join to download or view the live demo by clicking on the blue button. And this will redirect you to a live website where you can go ahead and explore all of the layouts without actually having to install them on your pages first. So if you see one of these layouts or all of them and you want to use them on your website, you can simply go back to your WordPress website and install all of these layouts on your pages. It's very easy to do. So if I enable the visual builder on this page, for instance, the only thing that I will need to do is click on the icon located at the bottom of my page, click on the plus icon. And over here within the pre-made layouts, you will see all of the layout packs. So again, scroll down until you come across the Plumber layout pack and choose your layout. And then simply click on the green button which says use this layout. So once you do, you can make all kinds of modifications to the layout itself. So you can modify each one of the design elements to make it match with your own needs. And you can also save certain sections or rows or modules to your Divi library so you can reuse them on another page. So for instance, if you want to save this hero section over here, you can simply click on this icon that you can see which says save section to library. And this will help you to access this section in particular when you're working on another page. You can also use Divi's efficiency features to make changes really quick throughout your entire page without having to repeat each one of the steps. So for instance, if you want to change the font that's being used, you can simply open the text module over here. Then go to the heading text settings. As you can see, at this moment, we're using Montserrat. And if you want to change this throughout your entire page, you can simply right-click, click on Find and Replace. This is the font that we're using at this moment, and you can replace it with any font of your choice. And you can also select the Replace All Font Values within every option type, not limited to heading font option, and this will make sure that all of the fonts are changed. So as you can notice, this takes little to no time for it to change throughout your entire page. And the only thing left from that point on is change all of the content to make it match with that specific Plumber website. You can also change the color palette if you want to by repeating the same steps. Going to the heading text settings, right-clicking on heading text color, find and replace, and use another color of choice. And again, tick off this box if you want to make this apply to all of the elements. And there you go. So go ahead and play around with all of these different layouts and create stunning web design with Divi. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.